Yeah. It's a little battle hardened. It's been through hell. That's okay. We'll just pack it in there.
Nice, lovely.
Alright. I know it fits in there. Get in there! Okay. Good enough. Right?
Right.
Lost the little hatch when we totaled it. Or I totaled it, huh?
Yes. I was not flying it.
That's okay. We don't need fancy stock junk radio. Yeah.
I didn't get to see the radio.
Of this?
Ah, see it now. See it now.
What's that, baby?
The radio.
Oh.
Oh, jeez.
Junk airfield radio. It's okay, though.
Dad, I wasn't taping. I'm just kidding. It's been on. Oh, you're not even laughing. Did you hear that, Dad?
What's that, honey?
I didn't start taping till now. I'm just kidding. It's been taping.
I don't think it matters whether you were or not, sweetheart.
Ah, no, no. You don't get it.
It's tossing me around a little bit, isn't it?
It's also cold.
Downwind, she scoots right along, doesn't she?
I can't feel my fingers.
Minutes.
Yeah. Technically 3 of flying.
I'm giving her all she's got. We just don't have the power.
Jeez, Dad.